Okay. Rare. You never had. Baby, if you let me, I can help you out with all of that. Girl, let me love you. Don't be afraid. Love yourself. Girl, let me love you. Ah, wait. Boom, boom. Du, 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 du. Dun, dun. Let's see if we get touched in. Right, NZD slowly making its way to our zone. Guys, so regarding the music, obviously I've done non-copyright music, right? So it might take a minute. I don't know if it's a little bit delayed or not. I'm not sure. Let me refresh this for me. Okay, that should be okay. Boom, boom, boom. These are quite chilled tunes, to be fair. Oh dear. Because I noticed with YouTube, you can't have copyright music, right? So if I go live, it doesn't then hold or continue to let people watch it. Well, they do, but it'll be silent, and no one wants to watch it silent. All right, let's see if we get touched in and get a reaction from this zone. Getting there slowly but surely. Also monitoring the zone on USD JPY down here. Or USD. I need to put, oh no, it's on charge. More organized than I think I am. Uh, No news going on, is there? No, there is at 3 p.m. There's USD news. We may get in. What we're saying, Russ? We may look at getting in on this Euro USD trade here. Can have a reasonably tight stop loss. See if we get the rejection we're looking for. Shame about the 6, I think. Yeah, I mean, I can go live again. What is it? It's Thursday, so it's not too bad. But it is what it is, isn't it? It is what it is. I can't control it, unfortunately. Do they tell you why? It just says it only comes up with like scam, fraud. It doesn't actually tell you the actual reason. So, which obviously I'm not scamming anyone, but they've got their algorithm or whatever. There's probably a lot of people. That's the problem with Forex is there is a lot of people that are scammers. But this is fine because obviously I can record on here and it will save, and then people might want to watch it back or whatever. Helps the YouTube algorithm and all that. Not algorithm, but you know what I mean. We need to see a high get taken here if we want to get in. I need another screen. I've got my laptop. I've got 2 screens. I've got my laptop set up now as well. Madness. My phone. Let's see. Let's see. Why have I now got 2 blue lines there? It's touched back in the zone, but it hasn't taken a high, so there's no like confirmation that it's going to stop falling. So we just need to wait. If we get in, we get in. If we don't, it doesn't matter. I'd rather get in safely and be more confident than just gamble it. You're going to have to send me your trade view settings, mate. They're secondly. To be fair, I copied these off someone else as well. I'm not going to lie. But yeah, I will do. It does look nice. got the 4-hour zone. Fucking piece of shit. Right, don't wick it, push it. No, it's wicked it. Hopefully news pushes towards an zone. Yeah, I do have a zone a little bit closer than our sell zone, so it's not just because I know that one's quite far away. But with the bank holiday and stuff, I'm a bit like, are we going to get a bigger push than? Right, there we go. That's what we were looking for. Yeah, I now want to see it just push back into one of these areas here, and then we'll get in. Get rid of that. Come on. All right, I'm getting in. Fine, if it takes that low, it'll be a little frustrating, but let's see. Let's go. Let's see if we get a nice push up. Oh. This is a strong low, so we should hopefully be okay. Here we go, come on. Push for us, baby, push for us. Message retracted. You just in the one position or two? Two. I entered on the edge of this area. I think. We're in here. Around here somewhere. Spread sucked. I hate spread. Spread is just pain in the ass. Come on, give us a nice push. You're going the wrong way. Yeah, I agree with that as well, to be fair. Because once it fills the liquidity pool, obviously we'll go stop loss to break even. And then you can just let it run. But let's see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, it's only, what, 8.6 pips stop loss. Exactly. I've missed out on loads when pushes and drops instantly. Yeah. And that's that. Yeah, it is so frustrating. It's like trading is hard. Like it's like if you can get with the trend, then that's fine. But obviously doing like pullbacks and stuff like that, I think scalping the liquidity pool seems to work quite well. But let's see. Let's see. Oh, spam them hearts. You have hearts on here too. Let's go. If you don't understand liquidity, you are the liquidity is my favorite saying. Yeah, facts. That's what I find. Like trading with the 4 hour zones, like the higher time frame zones, you don't really have to worry as much about liquidity because it's always going to be liquidity. Whereas if you're if you're scalping like the 5 minute zones and all this sort of stuff, then you really do have to worry about liquidity a lot. Come on, Papa. There you go. So I'm gonna run back into profits now. Here we go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Sometimes watching it on on the 1 minute time frame is just a ball ache. Nice reaction from the zone though. See if it holds. Come on out of the way. Excuse me. Now we just patiently wait. This 15-minute candle's about to close. If this closes as a doji, that's fine because obviously a doji represents a change in direction. So hopefully we'll get doji and then a nice push up. But let's see what happens. Let's see. This is the problem with YouTube. It's like getting people into your live is extremely difficult, whereas TikTok live happens so easily. I'm going to look at X as well, but I could actually post a link on X. Very quiet. Let's see, let's see. Nice reaction though. It'd be good if we can fill this liquidity pool. I will be happy. If TP1, I'll be happy. But let's see what happens. Entry was there somewhere, wasn't it? We get out the zone, I will probably move stop loss or break even, but let's wait and see. We've got news at 3, isn't it? So it should be all right. Patiently waiting. Pure imagination. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Give us a nice push now. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe and check the link in the bio as well. It's where our community is. This way you'll get the full entry price, stop loss, and take profit. Dun, 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 dun. Waiting for gold to get up to a higher zone to get a bigger move. Obviously, it's reacted to this 15-minute time frame, but not too bothered about that. But we're just currently waiting for Euro USD to hit our TP1. Nice reaction from our entry point down here. We'd like to see it fill the liquidity pool, so let's see if we can get up there. Doom, doom, doom. Pure imagination. I have to apologize about the music. I can't play on YouTube. You can't play copyright music, so I've got some non-copyright music though. It's chill vibes. It's all good. Once we get out of the 4-hour zone, we'll probably look at moving stop loss to break even. Boom, 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 ba da 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 da. Do, do, do. Let's fill this liquidity pool here, to be fair. I'm going to trim some profits. I have not got. That's big enough, but not got enough room. Uh, kind of want to do stop loss to break even as well. Right. That's a nice push, to be fair. Taking some profits. First liquidity pool has been filled. Okay, here. So hopefully we can get a push up to TP1. And then with news, potentially, news could take it further. Let's just see what news is saying, what the predictions are. I don't really like to go off predictions. Obviously they're not guaranteed. But we've got high impact news at 3 p.m. Why is my PC being laggy? Okay, so the predictions are greater than, well, to be fair, they might even themselves out. One's greater than, so one's predicted good for USD, one's predicted negative for USD. The higher impact one is predicted good for USD, so that might overpower it. Depends on the difference. So let's see what happens. If we can stay in for that long, hopefully we can. But at least we've taken some profits. We're blue, so I'm happy with that. Not massive profits, but profits nevertheless. I've had profits off. I got some profits off the NZD CAD one and the Euro USD one on Monday as well. So let's see what happens. I don't really want to get taken out, obviously, at break even here. All right, I'm just going to knit to the restroom. Give me 2 seconds. Guys, if you're new to the YouTube channel, do drop in the link in bio. We do have our own signals group where we share our entries, stop losses, and take profits. Nice cheeky trade, bro. Let's go. Yeah, it's nice, decent reaction. Not massive of profits, but it's profits nevertheless. Hopefully we don't get touched out of break even. I'd like to stay in for news and see that push up. I didn't see the... Obviously, I'm being too narrow-minded. But price filled this liquidity pool here. You know, we talk about liquidity pools. Literally filled this liquidity pool here, look. Whipped it. And now it's starting to push back again. So, let's see. I'm in the gym now, so I'll pop in when I can. Don't worry, bro. You enjoy your gym session. Don't worry about it. I appreciate you being here, you legend. Honestly, really, it's probably the recording that's going to do more value than the live, which is fine. But I'm just glad we managed to catch it on the live as well, which is decent. Sorry, that's my chair. I wasn't fine. But yeah, some nice profits. See if we can reach TP1. Good entry, good reaction. But we are now risk-free, so whatever happens, happens. I've taken some profits. So yeah, let's wait and see what happens. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please do drop a subscription. It helps the channel loads. I'm trying to grow the channel. Did you enjoy your toaster yesterday? I did, unfortunately. I was saying, yeah, unfortunately from getting cut off, but the toasty was banging. Chest and triceps. Get those fucking 100 press-ups recorded, mate. I need to do mine at lunchtime, to be fair. I also need to phone the bank later as well. I had to phone the bank 3 times yesterday. It's so annoying. Honestly, it's insane how well just market structure works on its own. Obviously, I know, again, this isn't a banging trade, but the way that we got in was like just typical market structure, right? Obviously, we had the change of character here. So price came pushing down here. We had the change of character with this blue candle, took this high. Okay, showed us that we're going to get some bullish momentum. And obviously, I got in on this zone here. Could have waited for this zone, but to be honest, I didn't want to miss out because it already retested this zone here. So got in around here somewhere. Nice reaction. So yeah, let's see what happens. But it's nice when you teach something or when you show people something, it's just nice that it works, especially on a live. Like when you can show that what you're saying isn't BS. Do you know what I mean? It honestly, it just, yeah. It would be good to reach TP1. I'll be happy with TP1, but let's see what happens. I'd like to stay in for news as well. But news could go either way, so it doesn't really matter. I've got a feeling now we've hit the liquidity pool. It may pull back. And then if it does, we will just look at the next zone. I really want to catch a nice trade, like a nice pullback to a higher zone. That's what I'm looking for. Like I'd love for this to go up to here. And then get in on the downtrend. But let's see. So it's got the highs, lows, boom, 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 boom. Be nice for them to catch in here and then drop. But I don't know if Forex moves as well as what NAS does in that way. We'll have to wait and see, find out. I feel like Forex moves in like smaller ranges. So like this would then potentially be your break of structure. So we might then get like a more of a reaction and price push into this zone. But then this zone's mitigated. So freshest zone wise, that would be the freshest zone. You've got all this imbalance to fill here. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we can stay in the trade. TP1, I'll be happy with TP1. Yeah, probably. Honestly, I think you're right. But USD obviously went down loads, didn't it? So I think now it's changing. It's on the. Yeah, we had this massive push down. So now I think it's just coming back up. But it's hit this 4 hour here. So hopefully we'll get a push down and then Euro will go up. A little training lesson. But yeah, let's see what happens. All right, let's write down the microphone. I do apologise. The music's not too loud, is it? Like when I talk. No, can't hear any music. Oh no. There's me bopping my head to music. You can't. Ah, damn it. I'm sorry. There we go. Ah, I'm sorry. I'm glad I asked. I mean, you might, you might prefer that I didn't. It's non-copyright sound, so it's just like chill vibe music. Some of it's a bit like ding 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 ding, like arcade, high pings, gaming. It's like, don't really like that. It's all a little bit jazzy. I like it. It's nice. Keeps me chill. Oh. thing on Forex pairs is the pips look terrible. Like it's 200 ticks, but it's only actually 20 pips. So I caught 20 pips yesterday on Euro USD. Caught 10 pips on NZD CAD. Taken 5 pips today on Euro USD. And if this hits TP1, although that's a big move on a 15-minute time frame, it's only actually 12 pips. If you compare it to, but obviously it's more like it's 120 ticks. But when you do it on like C Trader, it's only 12 pips. But really, the pips, it's more the value than the pips, isn't it? It depends on what lot size you put, which I've taken some decent profits, so I can't complain. Ding, ding. As you say, blues will, yeah, 100%. Profit's better than not, right? Diesel, who are you? Diesel Grime, who are you? I don't even know who I'm talking to. Your name's coming up as Diesel Grime. Ah, okay, cool. Always showing love. Silent, you're everywhere. Appreciate you, bro. Come on, don't touch us out. I'm in your pro group and school, so I get the messages. Okay, cool. Appreciate you. It's touched me out of break even. I'm not going to re-enter. Because, like I say, liquidity pool's already been filled. Took some nice profits. Ah, watch it fly to TP1 now. Fuming. I hate spreads. Spreads annoying. Yeah, it's already been mitigated. Gonna leave it alone. NZD CAD hasn't come to our zone yet. Still hasn't taken that high yet either. GBP USD waiting for zone. That gave a nice reaction from that 15-minute zone, to be fair. Let's wait and see. The GBP USD, same as yesterday, so yeah. Which, if then price does push down on Euro USD, it'll push down on GBP USD as well. So hopefully GBP USD will push us into a trade. This guy, literally, his email just does not want to work. Here he is. The goat's on YouTube. Let's go what we're saying, Leon. Yeah, we just got on a trade on Euro USD. We've got a nice reaction, trimmed some profits, but we've been stopped off at break even. Not gonna re-enter at this point. Although it's now obviously just touched back in and give it a push. Not too bad, mate. How are you? How's life? Are you back from Wales now? Life's good. A little frustrating, but life's good. TikTok banned me again. Well, not banned me, but they gave me a strike. So, can't go live on TikTok. So, until Thursday. Feel like maybe should have trusted this setup, not move stop loss to break even so early. It's a solid setup as well, to be fair. Yeah, all good, mate. Came back Sunday evening. Was great. I bet it was, mate. Where's all the photos? Yeah, silent. They said it was for. They just say all they put is fraud, scam. That's all they say. So it doesn't actually specifically say, oh, you said these words that you're not supposed to say, or you promoted this, or you did this, or whatever. So they never give you detailed. I think it's just their algorithm. I think their algorithm's quite strict. Can't stare at it because it's going to wind me up. I think GBP news will be positive for USD. So, but then do we hold it during news? That's the thing. It's a risk. See if we can get in on the GBP trade. I think unless it's their own TikTok shop, you can't hint at selling anything. Yeah, I know. But, yeah, to be fair, yeah. But then, like, I thought that because I was like, well, then can I push it on the TikTok shop? But then I don't really know how to set it up. I might have to look into it. Right, I'm just going to have to go pee again. I'm drinking so much water that I'm going to the toilet every 5 seconds. Do amazing. They just want their slice of the money. Yeah, exactly. Well, they make enough money, don't they? It's like, just leave me alone. Let me do my own thing. But I suppose it is their... I'm getting hungry. Starving. I might have a cheeky bit of chocolate, I'm not gonna lie. Bit galaxy. Bit naughty, but small doses, right? Some people's email addresses are just terrible. Sometimes I wonder if it is the if it is the music. I know they say fraud scam. Sometimes I wonder if it's the music on TikTok, because it's obviously copyright music. Should we check the last news? Wouldn't have been one there. Ah. Weird. I had breakfast. When did I have breakfast? At 6 o'clock this morning. So yeah, like 5 hours ago. I've just polished off that whole chocolate bar. Yeah, I need to have some proper food, really. It's time, yeah, 11. Price always fills these gaps. That's the 1 minute. So on this, like with this zone here, I'm happy to have I'm happy to play that zone because it's within the 300 pips or 30 pips. So that'd take us just below the low. Now, if there was a wick here, then I would look more for an entry within inside, but we don't have to risk missing out on the reaction on the 4 hour. So let's see. It does feel like there's so much that is done to hold you back from trying to achieve what you want to achieve. Like even on this, like now, listening to these songs, obviously these songs aren't the best songs. They're not terrible songs, but they're not the best songs. So obviously you're going to attract more people if you're playing more up-to-date music. But again, obviously on YouTube, because of copyright laws or whatever, if I play copyright music, then they'll just blank out the whole, like my sound. Like, so you won't be able to hear me talk, and it'll just be like a video with no sound. To be fair, I'm not going to lie, with the new TikTok channel, it's pretty much like the same amount of views anyway, at the moment. I hate pushing a new one. What's Instagram like for me? I'm not 100% sure, to be fair. But all these, like, with Instagram, I don't feel like many people watch YouTube lives on Instagram, do they? Well, I think YouTube's probably, I think long term for me, YouTube's probably more beneficial than Instagram because of the views you get up. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. This is just a horrible, this is just ranging constantly at the moment. It's just one massive range, look, all of that. You could say, yeah, there. I can monitor that, but it's touched so many times there, it's probably going to wick it and then plummet. So I reckon it'll do a liquidity sweep, create a new high, and then just take out this liquidity here. Bow, bow, bow. A lot of pairs seem to be ranging this morning, waiting for US news after their yeah, I agree, mate. Being patient, isn't it? The key. Oh, Euro USD is still just moping around that area. Part of me wants to get back in to show that I was to show that we got the move, but it's just pushing down again, pushes up, pushes down. It hits that liquidity pool and pushes out. It's crazy how strong liquidity pools are. But I think it will probably hover now, and then news will blow the. My anticipation is for it to hover, and then wait for news, and news will blow the zone and push us down. Whereas with this one, it would push us down into zone. But I don't know whether I want to hold it. I think it'll be up to personal risk. Yeah. It's not breaking this zone here yet. So again, I think news will decide which way we go. Let's, shall we? Have a look. No. And no idea with TikTok. Literally no idea. Right, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get some food, do a workout, and then we'll be back live closer to news because it's just going to be boring until then. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, absolute legends. Like I say, we'll go live again around news. I think I'll probably keep the GBP or the GU trade on during news, but I'll just warn everyone if they want to do it, it's up to them, it's their risk. I'm not telling them to do it, it's just what I'm doing. If they want to duck out, they can duck out. I'd recommend them ducking out. And then I'm just going to risk the profits that I've made today and then go from there. So yeah, appreciate you guys supporting me, and I will see you later on. I'll be live again about 2:30 p.m. and yeah, I will go from there. Enjoy the workout. GU seems to be building. Yeah, literally. So let's see what happens, and we will judge it from later on. Hopefully by that time as well. If we say 2:30, just before 2:30, we may get in a NAS trade as well. So be a bit more action during New York session. Appreciate the support, and I will see you later. Bye.